Sa video we make sure kwanya betime fa so make it sika Binance because Binance app ni yo feature bi wo ha ayi se uhu a me gidi se uhu sa feature we beboa o ama trading activities na kwaso Binance no positive results no ebe do so bebre e dia ma nti yense ma me fa mo ko Binance app na me show normal 1212 bi e wo ha a me gidi se beboa o e wo trading account we trading ankasa no eba futures a futures no benya uska so uska na trade futures a eneboa uniska te se bia 30 Ghana na se bia 40 Ghana 100 Ghana e bia te sika ne 10 million ebe ha adwen ebe ma wa lose sika ne 10 because who sika na ehia na wo yem hyehyew unse eba crypto ne timi ba top full bi na asan ya drop ya nti bia saka na beba full na wo sika na liquidate a na eden na chesa ahye mu se beba for awurade nka misika e wo position na kasa nka monye sika o ene ya de bia ha nti trading no order mi bi app na mecho sika amanfo do na de wura trading ma ebo ma monye sika bebre na sisi a wo hwe me na wo hwe sika e wo trading ma sa $2 na $10 na wo se nya dia bebo wo features ne ba dem ma mencho 1-to-1 so bi mi gidi se so who side we ade wo ye o Binance bia no obeti ase yi nti o hwe sisi ya na mabi Binance mabi me Binance app na bi Binance app na ebe ko features unse features na pese yin ho no aba ase futures trading na yaba no nti hu yaba features ha ebe ko leaderboard ye top wa leaderboard okay na yabo leaderboard na so e ko leaderboard na so a unse USD margin na pese in trading and ase bi coin margin na pese in trading ni na my explain wo video ba kra me yaba features and me explain ni na ye bia USD na pese in trading nti embra se na me pe bia Alabama research. Okay, Alabama when you first be bring to the ye more Alabama. Ye more Alabama no so maybe Alabama trader see Alabama be no trader the like position Alabama o see and say or we na no Lucia. Inti Solana is Alabama be Solana USDT. Inti Solana no Alabama the $4,000 in the coin. $4,000 or converted $4,000 I won't say $4,000 630 million 640 million to 630 million nigiska Alabama the coin but you have to be position keke nti de we actually support ne kra mai nti wo hwe sisi na Alabama bi Solana na Solana price 14.27 sisi Solana price market price 12.71 and Alabama short here chese o ka chese Solana ne be form nti e ba form Alabama nye den enyam faso but you say nti Alabama nyam faso nti si ehwe Alabama be nyam faso Alabama nyam faso 6,258 nti Alabama nyam faso almost 1 billion of it was Solana position nko almost 1 billion na Alabama bi odi 640 million nti 640 million no nyese bi afi ho e ba be kan sika no ho ko ni position we dey faso a wo be nya dey kan sika ho almost 1 billion but you say nti yam fa ne say ebia Ethereum will be $100,000. Will be Ethereum no. So see a profit when you 11,280. 11,280. It is a profit we know abenya e de kan sika ho. But you want to won sika kesa among for the B position e wo features wo. Nti wo emra Bitcoin BTC will be in position of $8,000. $8,000 now will be in certain Bitcoin price entry price just start time na orum no. 17,209 na Bitcoin prices about 15,986 no we have profit of 9,789 the only bagane is kama Alabama uska che Alabama uska Enyeska kuma na Alabama hodi no skano do super nti oba DAD and so ateno but me sure say obi gain profit ko here professor wa gain we say green in the doors wom nti Alabama o here TRS o make a profit of almost 1 billion e wo ha say nti o pa betimi ahwe ni trading na wa bie no now so why then what place you trading no we scatter Alabama now we scale support of course I say na bia mo build the bank and can be position of ABI funds be 20 billion old Ghana cedis na na chese owo sika almost be 60 billion old currency Ghana cedis no one account ma support no in case of say etekra na money liquidation e dey emben if you across 60 billion maybe a bit number say maybe 200 billion I support no don also the trading it here yes into features no sanity until bit me akwa in the position a bit me about we say so once we are closing the position crypto okay we so be a position and we guy we are about bit me be me trading no now I then copy until one more am cast more per signal no we need the real signal until ska bit me then ska trading no ska trading here ska nko features no ba features ska na ya unye ska pa ba uni ska na ubi position na uti na kwa ni timi drop paper there ho na usika no be den usika no be ya approve and we no be $5,000 and first one wonya de and we so 50 like once it's can no be in position we so be $15,000 na $15,000 and first one their money into say so we know the baganers come out once and number 140-150 million within a sec will be a position no now we saw here on number 200 something million into sanity into one bit of check no copy trade no yellow be all top wa obo trading no so I do be straight 2% unfollow ubiti me then I follow the trade no copy trade now so what trade me ji this is how video be boa ma de bia wo ye bia no obo ko anim follow tech in trail Facebook YouTube here subscribe channel no with the videos be bro with the videos we here we're gonna help you with your DBR unim atena oyelo